Hello! In today's video I will show you how we're gonna be removing the ashtray from a Mercedes-Benz W126 Class S. To remove the ashtray, very easy. We just pull it towards us fully, and now we're gonna remove the inside part that we pull away. And now you will see inside we've got access to two screws. So we'll use a star screwdriver, also called a Phillips screwdriver, and we're gonna be removing them. As you can see, these are the two screws we need to remove now. Now that I've removed the two screws inside, we're gonna put the gear lever at the bottom, so like that we've got a bit of space, a bit of clearance to remove the ashtray. Okay, and now all we do is pull it. Okay, here we go. Now we need to remove the cable. That's the light for when you open it at night, and also the electric part for the cigarette lighter. Okay, so this we just pull it out, and it should come out pretty easily. See the bulb here and the feed. Here we go. So that's how we remove it. Now to fit the ashtray back, it's exactly the same procedure, but in reverse. Very easy. But what we can point out, if you want, is the bulb that we got here. It's an halogen bulb. It's the old type. Now owners have the tendency to change them for LED. Okay, so if you want to change it, well, now's the time, but it's not really necessary. Okay. Because this one don't overheat that much. The one that overheat, the one in the on the dash. Okay, those ones because they're bigger, the heat is more intense and they tend to melt the plastic. Okay, so those ones inside here you have to change them ASAP. Okay, so this one, if you don't change it, doesn't matter. Okay. So to mount it, as I say, very easy. You connect the electric first, then the bulb. You push it back in. Make sure you don't catch any cables. Put back the two screws, the stuff inside, and it's done. Okay. So I hope you've liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Ciao.